In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make logo bigger in Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to Online Store, then Themes. This is where you manage the appearance of your store and make changes to your active design. Next, find your current active theme and click the Customize button next to it. This will open the Shopify theme editor, where you can adjust different parts of your storefront in a visual way. This is helpful because you can usually see your changes as you make them. When the editor opens, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the header section. The header controls the top area of your store, which is where your logo usually appears. In many Shopify themes, logo sizing options are placed here because they affect how your branding displays across the site. Now look for a setting called Logo Width or Custom Logo Width. The exact wording can vary depending on your theme, but it will usually be something very similar. This setting controls how wide the logo appears in the header. Once you find it, increase the size by using the slider or by typing in a numerical value in pixels. If your theme allows direct number entry, increasing the pixel value will make the logo larger. If it uses a slider, move it gradually so you can preview the result. It is a good idea to make small adjustments first, because a logo that is too large can crowd the header and make the navigation area look unbalanced. After that, check the mobile view by clicking the device icon at the top of the screen and switching to mobile. This is an important step because a logo that looks great on desktop may take up too much space on smaller screens. Make sure the logo still looks clean, readable, and properly aligned without pushing other elements out of place. If everything looks good in both desktop and mobile view, click Save. This will apply the updated logo size to your live theme settings. That is the full process for making your logo bigger in Shopify. It is a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how visible and polished your branding looks. That covers everything you need to know.